Okay. Okay, so macam tadi lah, okay, the word trigonometry very synonym with in mathematics and is involved length and angles of triangles. Okay, so anything related to triangles, okay, you need to know about trigonometry. Okay, so it also we have many trigonometric functions. Okay, and you also need to know we have sine function, cos function, apa lagi? We have tangent function. So all are these trigonometric function. So we always use trigonometry in astronomy to measure the distance of stars. Okay, so because it's very far, so we need to relate the distance with angles, and also we use trigonometry in geography to measure distance between landmarks and in satellite navigation system. So here we can see that trigonometry used in many other fields such as in music, in arts, okay, physics, and also in mathematics, in medical. So this is very important. So everyone needs to know about trigonometry, about angles, about trigonometric function. So tonight you will learn how very basic of angles and also how to measure the angles. Okay, kita akan belajar lah macam mana untuk dapatkan sudut. Okay, this is very basic. So this is kind of revision. Okay, so you dah belajar dekat sekolah dulu. Okay, so what is angle? In trigonometry, we often interpret angles as a rotation of rays. Okay, how we move the ray, okay, from initial point to a terminal point. So we have a fixed ray. Let's label it as L1. Okay, having endpoint A and rotate it about A. Okay, in a plane to a position specified by ray L2. Okay, so inilah you can see. Mana highlighter? Okay, sorry. This one. Okay, this is L1. Okay, we have initial or fixed point labeled as A, and we have an array. Sorry, array. So labeled as L1, and then we move this ray to another position. So this we move to this position, and we label the new position as ray L2. Okay, so the movement or rotation of ray L1 to L2 form an angle. Okay, so kita ada sudut. Okay, pergerakan dia akan menghasilkan sudut. Okay, so this angle theta also can be written as angle BAC. Okay, BAC is a point on ray L1, B is a point in ray L1, and C is a point on ray L2. So to find the angle, to label the angle, we can say theta as angle BAC. Okay, point A is the endpoint of the ray, and this point also called as the vertex of line BAC, vertex of this shape, BAC. Okay, so okay, tadi saya dah sebut juga, initial position is called as initial side of the angle, and the terminal side of the angle is the location after we rotate the ray. Okay, yang itu adalah dia punya explanation dekat sini. Okay, initial position is called initial side, and the terminal side is the position of the ray after we rotate the line, the ray. Okay. So if the rotation of the terminal side is counterclockwise, okay, apa maksud counterclockwise? Means we opposite the clock direction, anti-clockwise. So we call the angle as positive angle. And if the rotation is clockwise ataupun ikut arah jam, then the angle is negative angle. Okay. So from here, kat sini kita akan nampak lah. Alright. Mana dia? Okay, shape. Saya nak. Tak boleh lagi, okay. Tak apa, sorry. So kita nampak dekat sini. Where is my pen? Okay. So dekat sini. Okay, kita nampak. Okay, daripada ini adalah ray L1. This is ray L2. And from the initial or initial point, okay, ataupun initial point kat sini. So it move to terminal point. Let's say we have a point here, terminal point. So it move from L1 to L2, follow the direction, anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so the theta ataupun angle of form from this movement, rotation, is a positive angle. Okay, same as this figure, the second one. Okay, kita ada, this is initial position, this is terminal position. So the rotation of these rays follow the direction of anti-clockwise. Okay, also this theta is a positive angle. Okay, this angle is a positive angle. Okay, so kalau for the negative angle, okay, we have rotation that follow the clock direction, clockwise. Okay, so dia daripada initial to terminal, so dia bergerak ikut arah jam. So the theta is negative lah, as negative theta. Okay, ini semua dah tahulah. Okay, follow clockwise, okay, the angle is negative. Anti-clockwise, the angle is negative. Sorry, anti-clockwise, the angle is positive. Clockwise, the angle is negative. Okay, so itu yang basic lah awak patut tahu. Okay, you should know how to differentiate the rotation of a ray. Okay, so yang ini adalah very basic lah, just introduction ataupun pengenalan kepada angle. Okay, an angle is standard position if its vertex is at the origin. Vertex tu apa? Dia punya point A tu lah. Tadi tu yang saya sebut tadi. Point A. So at the origin. And its initial side is along the positive x-axis. Okay, positive x-axis. So kat sini lah. Okay, so this is the initial position. So this is standard position of an angle. Okay, and the angle is said to lie in the quadrant in which the terminal side is located. Okay, Q1 refers to first quadrant. So if we have terminal point here, okay, so this is terminal point. So we have um, a, an angle in first quadrant. Okay, kalau dia berada pada kuadran yang pertama, means the angle is less than 90 degree. Okay, if the angle is less than 90 degree, therefore we have an angle in first quadrant. So if the terminal point lies here, sorry, it's not straight. So we have here terminal point. So it lies in second quadrant. So we call the angle is between 90 degree to 180 degree. So it's the type of the angle um, depends on where it lies, either in quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 or quadrant 4. Okay, yang ni pun semua tahulah kan, kita anti-clockwise. Okay, kita ikut positive angle. Okay, from quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Okay, so how to measure an angle? So we have a standard unit for angle, okay, which is degree measure. Okay, we always use degree. So this is the symbol. Okay, yang ni ada white circle, small circle. Okay, so this is symbol for degree. So we have a complete rotation. Okay, counterclockwise direction is 360 degree. Okay, so a complete rotation follow anti-clockwise direction. So the angle is 360 degree. Okay, and we have angles in standard position having their terminal side along the x-axis or y-axis are called quadrantal angles. Macam tadi itulah. So it depends on where it lies, and then we have another standard position. Okay, beside the standard that parallel or on the x-axis, we also have another standard angles which is 0, 90, 180 degree, 270 and 360 degree. Okay, so yang ini we can represent this angle in a graph. Okay, so kalau kita tengok kat sini, kenapa tak keluar ya saya punya ni? Okay. Sorry, right. So kat sini kita ada x-axis and we also have y-axis. Okay, so we know 0 degree is an angle that lies parallel to the x-axis, positive x-axis. So this is 0 degree. Okay, so this is 0 degree. Okay, parallel, sorry. Okay, parallel to x-axis. Okay, we also have 90 degree, which is parallel to y-axis. Okay, so the angle is 90 degree. 180 degree is a ray that parallel to the negative x-axis. Okay, yang ini, this one. Okay, okay, so this is 180 degree. Okay, 270 degree is an angle that formed by a ray that parallel to y, negative y axis. Alright, so this is the angle from 0 to 270. Okay, this is 270 degree. And the last one, if we have a complete rotation, so the angle is 360 degree. Okay, so this is very basic. Saya tak terangkan pun tak apa sebab awak dah tahu. Just untuk kita, just untuk introduction sahaja. Okay, complete rotation is 360 degree. Okay. So we can use many symbol to represent an angle. Okay, always we use theta. We also can use alpha, beta, gamma to represent an angle. Okay, to name the angle. So kita boleh guna apa-apa je variable to represent an angle. Okay. So, okay, tadi kita ada macam-macam jenis kan, depends on where the terminal side of the angle of the array, okay. So, kita ada, kalau dia punya sudut antara 0 kepada 90 darjah, okay, sudut tu kita panggil sebagai acute angle. Okay, maksudnya if the angle between 0 and 90 degree, so we call this as acute angle. Okay, acute angle. Maksudnya dia lies in quadrant 1. Okay, the terminal side lies in first quadrant. Okay, if we have a 90 degree angle, so we call that angle as right angle. Ini biasalah. Okay, maksudnya dia punya theta is equal to 90 degree. So means is exactly on or parallel to the y axis. Okay, parallel or ataupun betul-betul lies on the y axis. Okay, if the theta between 90 to 180 degree, okay, maksudnya greater than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, so we call this angle as obtuse angle. Okay, obtuse angle. So this theta lies in quadrant 2. Okay, quadrant 2. Okay, kalau acute in first quadrant, obtuse in second quadrant. And if the theta or the angle is 180 degree, so we call it as straight angle. Okay, straight angle if the theta is 180 degree. So we have straight angle. Okay, kalau saya sebut straight angle, then you tahulah the size of the angle is 180 degree. Okay, inilah gambar dia. Okay, you can see from the figure, we have acute angle. Okay, we can see it less than 90 degree. So this is 90 degree y axis. So less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle is less than 180 degree. And right angle is exactly on the y axis. Okay, suppose kita guna macam ni lah. Okay, this is the how to represent a right angle, a right angle. Okay, kita ada box angle lah. Okay, so quite boring, benda yang sama you dah pernah belajar, so saya just laju je lah. Okay, so we have okay, if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then the angles are called complementary. Okay, the sum of two angles is 90 degree. So we have these two angles we call as complementary angles. And if the sum of the angles is 180 degree, so the angles are supplementary. Okay, maksudnya kita ada this one, theta 1 plus theta 2 equals to 90 degree. Okay, baru kita panggil sebagai complementary angles. If the sum is 180 degree, so we call these two angles as supplementary angles. Okay, so kita buat example 81. Find the complement and supplement of the angle with measure 25 degree. Okay, so let's assign this as theta 1 lah. Okay, theta 1. So we need to find another theta 2. Okay, so what theta that complement theta 1, and also we need to find another angle that supplement theta 1. Okay. Okay, so kita tahu tadi for complement theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degree. Okay, we already know theta 1 is 25 degree. So just substitute 25 degree plus theta 2 is equals to 90 degree. Solve this equation, we can get the value for the other angle. Okay, so 90 minus 25 gives us berapa?
65, Doktor.
Bagus, 65 degree. Okay, ada juga yang tak tidur. Okay, terima kasih. Okay, next. Supplement. Kita ada theta 1 plus theta 2 equals to 180 degree. Okay, sama juga lah macam tadi. We replace theta 1 as 25 degree plus theta 2 equals to 180 degree. Therefore, theta 2 is equal to
155.
Okay, bagus Nurin. Berapa tadi? 150? 55. Okay, good. So these angles, okay, and 65 degree complement 25 degree. 155 degree supplement 25 degree. Okay? So itu je lah maksud dia lah. Kalau complementary angles, dia punya sum ataupun jumlah sudut ada sama dengan 90 darjah. Kalau supplementary, jumlah sudut adalah 180 darjah. Okay. Okay, so selain daripada degree measure, we also can use other unit which is radian. Okay, radian. So in many application of trigonometry, radian measure is preferred over degree measure because it simplifies calculation and also allow us to use the set of real numbers as the domain of the trigonometric function rather than just angles. Okay, so dia melibatkan banyak decimal number lah. Okay, because kita ada real numbers. Real number can be any numbers. Okay, dia boleh involve ratio ataupun fraction, but can involve decimal number. Okay, so lagi senang kita represent the angle using radian unit. Okay, so how to convert degree to radian and radian to degree? Okay, you need to memorize this. Okay, pi radians is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so kalau kita lukis paksi, this is x axis, y axis. So 180 degree is here. Okay, 180 degree also equals to pi rad. Okay, so 1/2 of the quadrant lah, quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. So pi rad adalah sama dengan 180 darjah. Therefore, 2 pi rad is equal to 360 degree. Complete rotation is equal to 2 pi radian. Okay, 2 pi rads. Okay, so from this we can um, we can give the angle of we can calculate the standard angle in radian. Okay, standard angles selain daripada zero angles, we also know, okay, macam ni lah saya senang terang. Okay, standard angles are 0 degree. Okay, tadi kita sebut 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and 360 degree. Okay, so 0 degree is equal to how many rad? How to convert 0 to radian? Is equal to 0 rad. Okay, 0 rad. Kalau 180 degree is equal to pi rad. Therefore, 90 degree is equal to pi over 2 rad. So kita tahu daripada dia punya perkaitan, relation between degree and radian, so we can find the radian of other standard angle. Okay, so we know that 180 degree is equal to pi radian, therefore 90 degree is equal to pi over 2 radian. Okay, how about 270 degree? How about 270? Okay, mungkin susah nak kira 270 degree. Okay, 360 degree is 2 pi rad kan? Okay, 2 pi rad. Okay, so yang ini?
3/2 rad.
Good. 3 over 2 pi rad. Bukan 3/2 rad. 3 over 2 pi rad. Okay, rad pi. Pi kena ada lah. Pi itu standard lah 3.142. Okay, kalau kita tekan calculator, pi is equal to 3.142. Okay, so therefore we need to multiply pi with 3 over 2. Then we will get the decimal number lah of the radian, of the angle in radian. Okay. Okay, so daripada sini juga kita boleh tukar lagi. Kita boleh masukkan lagi nilai-nilai yang lain. Okay. Kalau dekat sini between 0 and 90 degree is 45 degree. So 45 degree is equal to pi over 2 divided by 2. So equals to pi over 4 radian. Betul tak? We just divide this angle, okay, in radian by 2. So pi over 2 divided by 2 is pi over 4. Okay, yang ini pula berapa? 90 to 180. Berapa? Berapa degree dia? Berapa kelas? Kelas, ada orang tak? Between 90 degree to 180 degree, in the middle, berapa dia? 135 degree. Okay, 135 degree is equal to, maksudnya sekarang ni pi tu setengah tu, half we divide to 4 parts. Okay, 4 bahagian. So 4 bahagian. Setengah adalah pi.
Tiga per empat.
3/4
Pi.
pi, pandai. 3/4 pi radian. Okay. Sebab yang ini kita tambah lagi 1/2. Okay, tambah lagi 1/2 pi. 1/2 pi pula. Okay, 1/4 pi. Kan macam ni, kalau saya nak, macam mana saya nak lukis ni, ruang dia kecil sangat. Okay, so kita ada, okay, this is pi. Okay, so tengah-tengah is pi over 2. Okay, quarter is pi over 4. 3/4, 3 over 4 pi. Betul tak? This is 0.
Betul.
So kita boleh bayangkan daripada gambar tu. Okay. Itu baru yang kita just divide the quadrant into how many parts yang kita nak lah. Okay. Itu kalau 90 degree. Okay. Let's say we divide this half circle ni, half circle into 3 parts. Okay. 3 parts. Contoh, saya ambilkan line pula. Okay. Okay, this is x-axis lah. Okay, 3 parts kita bahagi kepada 3 bahagian. Okay, so 3 bahagian dekat sini lah. Okay, 3 bahagian sorry. Okay, so saya pecahkan kepada 3. Okay, salah ni macam salah je. Sorry, lukisan tak accurate. 3 bahagian. Okay lah, boleh lah lebih kurang lah 1, 2, 3. Okay, so kat sini kita tahu this is always pi, right? Okay, divide by 3. So this is pi over 3. And this one is 2 over 3 pi. Okay, what is the angle in degree? What is the angle of this line, of this ray in degree? Macam ni. Okay, kita bagi pada 3. Okay, maksudnya kalau 180 divide by 3 is
60.
60, pandai. Okay, 60 degree. So this one, of course, 120 degree. This one is 180 degree. So you don't have to use calculator. Okay. So from the figure, okay, if we divide the half circle into 3 parts, so we know that 60 degree is equal to pi over 3 radian. Okay, 120 degree is equal to 2 over 3 pi radian. Okay, if we divide the half circle by into 4 parts, so each part is 1 over 4. So for the first angle, which is apa angle dia ni? 45 degree. So is equal to pi over 4. Okay, 90 degree is pi over 2. This one 135 degree. Okay, boleh kelas? This is how you convert lah if the given angle is standard angle. Okay, kalau kita ada standard angle lah yang senang kita nak divide. Tapi sometimes the angle is not in standard. Okay, not a standard angle. So we need to know how to convert degree to radian. Okay, kat sini ada saya bagi dia punya formula. Okay, degree to radian, we multiply the angle by pi over 180. Okay, so kita ada, okay, degree to radian. Okay, we multiply theta by pi over 180. So we will get the answer in radian. Okay, and if we want to convert the angle from radian to degree, so we need to multiply the angle by 180 over pi. Okay, and the answer will be in degree. Okay, in degree. Okay, other than that, selain daripada cara ni, kita boleh guna juga cara yang lain. Okay, kita boleh guna kaedah ratio. Okay, ratio. Yang bawah sekali. Okay, saya ada tulis nota Okay, so we can use this ratio to convert the angle from degree to radian or from radian to degree. Okay, we use ratio. So kita tahu degree, okay, unit dia half circle is 180 degree. Okay, kita guna ratio lah if the angle in degree. And if the angle in radian, we know the half circle is pi rad. Okay, so degree, angle in degree over 180 degree equals to angle in radian over pi rad. Okay, so this is, we also can use this concept to convert the degree, so the angle from degree to radian or from radian to degree. Okay, so kalau kita, saya cakap banyak pun tak best, so better kita buat example lah. Okay, exercise. Okay, so let's go to example 8.2. Okay, we have 4 given angles in degree. Okay, we need to convert the angle to radian. Okay, convert the angle to radian. So kita ada 120 degree. Actually, we already discussed this. Okay, kita tahu we can divide the half circle into 3 parts. Okay, so kalau kita ingat 120 degree is equal to 2/3 pi. Okay, 2/3 pi. Ingat tadi kan kita bahagi kepada 3 bahagian. This is pi, this is pi over 3 and this is 2/3 pi. This is 60, 120 and 180. Okay, itu kalau kita gunakan konsep yang kita ingatlah dalam gambar rajah. Okay, we also can use the formula. Okay, kalau formula, macam mana kita nak buat? Okay, what we are given in degree. Okay, so degree, sorry. Okay, kita nak ada degree. So kita ada 120 over 180 is equal to radian over pi. Okay, kita nak cari radian. Okay, angle in radian. So we rearrange this. We get, okay, this can, the unit can be crossed out, dah habis unit dia. So tinggal unit dalam radian, dalam pi. Okay, dan sebutan pi. Okay, so kita ada radian, angle in radian is equal to 100. Ini, okay. So ini adalah 180. Okay, equals to 120 pi. Therefore, R is 120 pi over 180. Okay, simplify, give us, okay, 2/3 pi. Okay, sama je macam apa yang saya tunjuk dekat sini. Okay, sama je. Okay, yang ni saya gunakan ratio. Okay, ratio. Yang tadi itulah relation between angle in degree and angle in radian. Okay, kalau awak tak ingat lah, okay, masa sometimes kita confuse kan, ataupun sometimes kita kita tertukar. Okay, tertukar. Okay, saya pun sometimes memang tertukar lah. Okay, if we want to convert to degree to radian, sometimes kita tersilap guna rumus. Okay, tersilap guna rumus. So untuk save, okay, better we use the ratio. Okay, yang ratio ni lah, konsep ratio ni. Okay, degree per degree, radian per radian. Okay, baru kita dapatlah sudut dia. Okay, boleh kelas? Ada soalan?
Boleh.
Okay, bagus. Okay, cuba tengok yang ini 225 ni. Okay, kalau kita tak ingat nak darabkan dengan apa, so kita gunakan konsep ratio. Okay, ratio. So kita ada degree. So 225 degree over 180 degree equals to angle in radian divided by pi. Okay, so kita ada pi. kita dah boleh cross out dia punya apa tu? Unit. Okay. Degree divided by degree is 6. Already eliminate. Okay, so kita hanya ada dalam radian. So 225 pi. Okay, senang kita buat yang radian dululah. Okay. So 180 R equals to 225 pi. Therefore, R is equal to 225 pi divided by 180. Okay, give us 5/4 pi. Okay, sama macam apa yang kita dapat kat sini lah. Okay, sama. Okay, sama. Boleh kelas? Okay, cuba kita buat soalan C dengan D. Okay, awak cuba dulu, nanti saya panggil. Okay, find the angle in radian for 570 degree and also for 72 degree. Okay, convert these two angles to radian. Okay, cuba kelas. Okay, so can we discuss class C and D? Boleh?
Boleh.
Okay. So for C, we would like to call Siti Nur Mahira.
Saya doktor.
Ada?
Ada.
Okay.
C
C.
570 bahagi 180
Okey.
sama dengan radian per pi.
Okey.
Lepas itu pindahkan
Okey.
inserti radian sama dengan 570 pi per 180.
Okey, so dah hilang lah kan dia punya unit tu degree. Okey. So 700 570 divided by 180 pi.
Ya,
Okay. Therefore the angle is
19 per 6 pi.
19/6 pi. Okay, good. Okay, radian. Okay, terima kasih Siti Nurmahira. Okay, good. Okay, next. Untuk soalan D. Okay. So for D, saya nak panggil Nur Raihana. Raihana,
Ya saya doktor, tengah buat lagi doktor kejap
tengah buat lagi. Nak ajar penaskan. Okay dah, boleh Mahira? Mahira Rahana. Kita guna konsep yang sama.
Ya Allah, tak boleh buka mic.
Ha?
Sorry
Jangan
doktor.
Jangan garang sangat. Okay.
0.4 radian.
Caranya
72 bahagi 180.
okay. Sama dengan
0.4 pi radian.
R bagi dengan pi kan?
Pi.
So R sama dengan 72 pi bahagi dengan 180.
180.
R sama dengan, kita simplify dalam bentuk, jangan bagi puluhan.
2/5 pi.
2/5
5.
pi. Okay, boleh? Yang lain semua okey? Okay. Okay, bagus. Terima kasih Raihana. Okay, bagus. Okay, so harap semua tahulah macam mana nak convert radian to, sekarang degree to radian. Okay. Sekarang kita pergi pula kepada radian kepada degree. Okay, convert radian to degree. Okay, so you can see the example A and B already. Okay, example A already written here. Okay, the solution. Okay, 7 pi over 4 radian is equal to 315 degree. Okay, so we move to question B. Okay, negative 4 pi over 3 radian is equal to what degree? Okay, so kita tak nak guna yang ini. We try to use ratio. Okay, so kita ada radian kan? Okay, negative 4 pi over 3 divide by pi kan? Betul tak? Mungkin tak nampak. Okay, kejap. Kita ada radian. Okay, dia punya formula radian over pi equals to degree over 180. Okay, so kita ada radian. Kita dalam bentuk radian. Okay, so kita ada negative 4 pi over 3 divide by pi. Okay, so divide by pi here. Okay, equals to degree over 180. Okay, so yang ini kita dah tak ada dah, kita dah buang. Okay, kita dah cross out pi. Okay, therefore degree, angle in degree is equal to 180 degree times 4, negative 4, okay, divide by 3. Okay, so kalau guna calculator, what do you get? Plus, by using calculator, the angle in degree is
200.
200. Berapa? Good, as it
240.
240. Okay, Syafiqah, bagus. Yang lain dapat sama ke?
Ya.
Sama.
Yeah.
140 degree. Okay, jangan lupa dia punya unit. 240 degree.
Oh, negatif dia hilang.
Negatif kena, jangan lupa. Negatif kena tulis juga. Alright. Okay, negative 240 degree. Boleh kelas? Sebab kita ada negatif negatif angle. Kalau negatif 4/3 pi maksudnya it start from x axis and the angle for the ray move in clockwise direction. Okay, clockwise. Dia ikut arah jam. So sebab tu negatif angle. Okay, so kita dapat negatif 240 darjah. Okay. C saya dah buat kan? C. So C is 150 degree. Okay. So 150 degree sama jugalah, kita gunakan konsep yang sama. Okay. So 5 pi over 6 pi equals to D over 180 degree. So kita cross out pi. Okay. Therefore, the angle degree equals to 180 times 5 over 6. Okay. So, kita akan dapatlah. Okay, simplify dia. Okay, this is 1. This is 30. 30 times 5 is 150 degree. Okay, sama macam apa yang saya bagilah jawapan dekat bawah ni. Alright. Okay, so for D, this one no pi. Okay, the angle is 0.62 radian. Okay, 0.62 radian. So kita kena buat cara yang sama jugalah. Okay, 0.62 okay divide by pi equals to D over 180 degree. Okay, therefore D is equal to 180 degree times 0.62 divided by pi. Okay, so you akan dapat berapa? Cuba tekan calculator kelas.
35.
35. Okay, dapat jawapan sama ke? Siapa tadi yang bagi jawapan?
Saya.
Okay, Siti Nurmahira. Okay, yang lain dapat jawapan sama dengan Siti? 35?
Kalau ada perpuluhan, doktor macam mana?
Try 180 darab 0.62 bahagi shift pi. $35.52. Okay. So kena bagi semua dalam bentuk perpuluhan. 35.52. Okay, 52 darjah. Okay, jangan lupa unit. Okay, kalau dalam degree kita tulis degree. Kalau dalam radian we need to write rad. R-A-D. Okay, boleh kelas? Okay, so for examples 8.4, I leave this as your homework lah. Okay, ini pun dah boleh buat. This is your homework. Okay, so just convert, follow the question. This degree convert to radian, and this one radian to degree. Okay, boleh buat kan kelas?
Boleh.
Boleh. Alright. So next move to section 8.2. Okay, kita laju sikit lah sebab minggu depan kita nak habiskan chapter 8. Okay, so we have 6 trigonometric function. Okay, for an acute angle, the 6 trigonometric function ratios are defined as ratios of length of side of a right triangle as follows. Okay, kita tengok gambar dia. Okay, we have a right angle triangle. Okay, as you know, the side that opposite to the right angle we call as hypotenuse. This is the longest side. Okay, sisi yang paling panjang, hypotenuse. Okay, beside this angle we call as adjacent. Okay, and this side we call as opposite to hypotenuse. Okay, so we have 6 function. Okay, 6 function in trigonometry, which is sine, cos, tangent, cosine, secant, and cotangent. Okay, so the important yang very common use is sine, cos, and tangent. Okay, so tangent theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, theta is here, not the right angle. Okay, theta is the acute angle. Okay, theta is acute angle. So how to find theta? How to write the theta in trigonometric function? So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, how to memorize this? Okay, yang ni saya yakinlah ramai yang dekat sekolah dah belajar, cikgu pun dah ajar. Kita ada so kan? Okay, so sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, yang untuk cos is cah. Okay, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Alright, and for tangent we use TOA. Okay, tangent is opposite over adjacent. Okay, opposite over adjacent. So you need to memorize this. So cah TOA. Okay, so this formula come from a right angle triangle. Okay, kita guna konsep theorem Pythagoras. Okay, theorem Pythagoras. Okay, so to relate these other trigonometric functions, okay, cosec, secant, sec, and cot. Okay, cosec is 1 over sine. Cosec is 1 over sine. And we know sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, opposite over hypotenuse. Therefore, cosec is equal to hypotenuse over opposite. Okay, just remember this, memorize this. Okay, then baru you boleh relate dengan cosec. Just ingat, cosec is 1 over sine. Okay, and for sec is 1 over cos. Okay, sec is 1 over cos. 1 over cos, and cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Therefore, sec is hypotenuse over adjacent. Okay, yang ni tak perlu ingat. You just ingat yang saya kotakkan ni in this box. Okay, you just memorize this. Cosec is equal to 1 over sec, 1 over sine. Sec is 1 over cos, and cot is 1 over tangent. Okay, 1 over tangent. Okay, boleh kelas? Okay, so kita pergi kepada how to relate angle in standard position with a point on the terminal side of theta. Okay, so kita ada x-axis and y-axis. Okay, we have this ray. Okay, ray Okay, and a point on this ray labeled as point P. Okay, so the distance from point P to x-axis is y. Okay, ini. This is y. Okay, y. The distance from point P to x-axis. And the distance from point P to y-axis is x. Ini. Okay. So the distance from point P to y-axis is x. So we know that from this figure, we can form a right angle triangle. Kita boleh bentuk satu segitiga sudut tegak. Okay, this is the triangle. Okay, this is the triangle. Okay, so this is theta. Okay, theta from x-axis to terminal side. Okay, theta, and the adjacent side is x. Okay, maksudnya distance from point P to y-axis is x, and from point P to x-axis is y. So this is length of the opposite side. Okay, opposites of the angle. Boleh kelas? Okay, so this is y and this is x. Okay, this is the right angle. Okay, therefore R represent the hypotenuse. R represent hypotenuse. Okay, kalau kita kalau kita gerakkan lagi point P ni, sebenarnya dia akan bentuk apa kelas? It can form a circle. Okay, if we move this blue line, okay, from move to, and make a complete rotation 360 degree. So this point P will form a circle, complete circle. Therefore, R represent, this hypotenuse represent the radius of a circle. Okay, R represent the radius of a circle. If point P, maksudnya locus of this point will form a circle, and R is the radius of the circle. Okay, R come from ni lah. Okay, R equals to square root of x square plus y square. Okay, R radius of the circle is equal to square root of x square plus y square. This also we use concept of theorem Pythagoras. Okay. So kat sini pun ada saya bagi tahu, if R equals to 1 means P is a unit circle. Okay, P is on the unit circle, therefore P is cos theta sin theta. How do we get this? P is cos theta, y theta. Okay, kalau kita guna konsep coordinate, this is x, this is y. Okay, this is x, this is y. Okay, so x. Okay, so kat sini x, nak dapatkan nilai x. Okay, how to get x? X, okay, we have how to find x. We use concept adjacent hypotenuse. Adjacent hypotenuse. So apa yang ada adjacent and hypotenuse? Cos kan? Betul tak kelas? Apa yang ada melibatkan adjacent dengan hypotenuse? Cos kan? Okay. So kalau kita nampak dekat sini, kalau kita just, awak jangan tengok apa yang saya tulis dekat sini. Just focus on the figure. Okay. X. So sorry. Okay. X is adjacent. R is hypotenuse with, therefore sin theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, and from this figure, adjacent is X, hypotenuse is R. Okay, rearrange this, we get X is equal to R cos theta. Okay, X is equal to R cos theta. Okay, sepatutnya this one P is equal to R cos theta, and Y, how to get Y? Okay, Y is, we use anything that relate theta with opposite and hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse. OH. Apa dia? So. Betul tak? So. SOH. Okay. So kita tahulah. Okay. Sin theta is equal to Y over R. Okay. So sin opposite over hypotenuse. So therefore Y is equal to R sin theta. Okay, so komponen Y is R sin theta. Itu yang dapat dekat sini. Sama. Okay. Ini case if R is equal to 0. R is equal to 1. If we have a unit circle. Unit circle is when R equals to 1. Okay, tapi ini adalah general one. General form of a point in parametric form. Okay, kita panggil sebagai dalam parametric lah. Okay, so tak apa, awak jangan confuse. Kita just, ini just for your information. Okay, kita bincang example 8.5 before we have a short break. Okay, kita bincang dulu example 8.5. Okay, so given the point 512 on the terminal side of an angle theta, find the sixth trigonometric function of theta. Okay, so we need to find all these six trigonometric function lah. Yang ni. Okay, we need to find sine, cos, tangent, cosec, sec and cot. Okay, so kita kena cari six function. Alright, so to find these six functions, we need to draw the angle. Okay, kita kena lukis angle dulu. Okay, so X, the point is, terminal point is 512. Okay, cuba kita lukis dulu. Let's draw the position. Okay, kejap ya. Okay, kita ada Y axis. Okay. And then X axis. Where is the point, class? Dekat mana? Lima 12. Is in which quadrant, class, the point? X is 5 and Y is 12. Kat sini. Okay, so the point is in first quadrant. Okay, first quadrant kat sini. Alright. So kita ada a line, okay, from origin to this point. Okay, let's label this point as point P. Okay, kita just label dia sebagai point P. This is point P. Okay, so boleh tak kita lukis, dapatkan length untuk side and opposite, adjacent and opposite? Boleh ke kelas? Boleh tak? Apa dia punya panjang Y? Apa panjang Y? 12. Pandai, bagus. Okay, so kita ada 12 dekat sini. Okay, panjang dia 12. This is 12. Sorry. Saya pakai macam ni lah. Okay, so 12. Okay, and the length for this side is 5 lah. Okay, 5. Sebab kita tahu daripada sini ke sini adalah 5. Okay, 5 unit. Okay, 5. Okay, so data is here. Okay, data is here from the origin to the terminal. Okay, so now find the radius vector r by using theorem Pythagoras. So where is the radius, class? Kat mana radius dia? Dekat sini lah. Okay, radius. The hypotenuse. Okay, so kita gunakan konsep theorem hypotenuse. R is equal to square root 12 square plus 5 square. Okay, give us berapa, kelas?
13.
13, pandai. Ini yang apa, standard unit kan? Square root of berapa? Berapa?
169.
169, pandai. Okay, saja nak test awak tidur ke tak? Okay, 13. Okay, so the radius of this circle is 13. Okay, so sekarang dia kata find, okay, theorem. And then write the 6 trigonometric function. Okay, yang pertama, apa dia? Sin kan? Okay, sin theta is equal to so. Okay, so opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is 12. Hypotenuse is 13. Okay, macam tu je. So dia kata find the 6 trigonometric function of theta. Okay, sin theta is 12 over 13. Yang kedua, cos theta is apa dia? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So kita ada 5 over 13 and tangent. Tangent apa?
12 per 5.
Pandai. Okay, 12 per 5. Okay, bagus. Okay, dah dapat 3, then baru kita boleh buat yang lain. Okay, kita boleh buat cosec, sec and cot. Okay, so for cosec is equal to 1 over sine. Okay, 1 over sine theta. Okay, we already know sine is 12 over 13. Therefore, cosec is 13 over 12. Okay, senang je. Just kita gunakan yang asas ni. Okay, sine, cos and tangent. Okay, number 5, sec is 1 over cos. Okay, 1 over cos. And 1 over cos is equal to 13 over 5. Okay, tu je. Itu je jawapan untuk soalan examples 8.5. Okay, number 6 is cot. Cot. Cot is 1 over tangent. Okay, cot is 1 over tangent. Therefore, cot is equal to 5 over 12. Alright, boleh kelas? Boleh? Boleh, bagus. Okay, so saya bagi rehat 10 minit. Okay, rehat 10 minit dan yang ini kita bincang sebagai homework boleh?
Boleh.
Boleh aja. Ni siapa ni? Luqman Siapa Alif?
Ya, doktor.
Alif. Boleh Alif?
Boleh, doktor.
Okay, boleh. Okay, semua nak tak sabar nak habis cepat kan? Okay, so tak apa. Ini saya tinggalkan sebagai mana tadi? Ni. Homework. Okay, example 8.6. Okay, lepas kita break, kita bincang example 8.7. Alright, okay, 10 minit. 10 minutes break. Okay, kelas.
Tiga.
yang sangat ku sayang, karena kau tak pernah manja. Anggun pribadimu, tenang di wajahmu, tiada yang menandingimu. Kau yang sangat ku sayang, karena kau gadis pendiam, wajah keibuan tersungging senyuman, hati ini mengagumimu. Ku menghayal bila saat nanti hidup bersamamu. Hanya engkau teman dalam luka, penghibur derita. Kepadamu akulah yang manja, dengarkanlah sayang. Ku pandang potretmu di dalam kamar, tersenyum padaku. Kau yang sangat ku sayang, karena kau gadis pendiam, wajah keibuan tersungging senyuman, hati ini mengagumimu. Ku menghayal bila saat nanti hidup bersamamu. Hanya engkau teman dalam luka, penghibur derita. Kepadamu akulah yang manja, dengarkanlah sayang. Ku pandang potretmu di dalam kamar, tersenyum padaku. Ku menghayal bila saat nanti hidup bersamamu. Hanya engkau teman dalam luka, penghibur derita. Kepadamu akulah yang manja, dengarkanlah sayang. Ku pandang potretmu di dalam kamar, tersenyum padaku.
Okey, boleh kita sambung kelas, terlebih pula saya bagi rehat. Boleh kelas?
Boleh.
Boleh, okey. So kita ada example 8.7. Okay, kita target sampai mana kita nak buat hari ni. Aduh, kejap. Ada kucing lah. Panjat. Kau masuk semua dah kemas. Kejap kelas. Semua dah kemas dah. Daripada pun semua dah kemas. Sekejap je. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Okey, kita target sampai mana hari ni? Kita buat sampai section 8.22 boleh kelas? Sempat kot Okey, kita cuba buat. Okey, so kita ada example 8.7. Okay, given sin theta equals to 1 over 2 and cos theta equals to square root 3 over 2. Find the values of the other four trigonometric functions. Okay, so to answer this, we need to draw the triangle. Okay, kita kena lukis triangle dulu. Okay, right angle triangle. Okay, sine is positive. Okay, therefore sine and cos is positive. Therefore, we assume we have angle in first quadrant. Okay, kita ada sudut dalam kuadran pertama. Okay, so kita lukis right angle triangle. Okay. So this is the angle, the right angle, and this is theta. Okay, sine theta is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, so we know sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is 1, hypotenuse is 2. Okay, 1 over 2. And cos theta is square root of 3 over 2. Okay, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so given cos theta equals to square root 3 over 2, so we know this is square root 3. Okay, kalau kita guna check, if we check using theorem Pythagoras, also we get this side is square root 3. Okay, panjang sisi ni adalah punca kuasa 3. Okay, 2 squared minus 1 squared. So we get 4 minus 1 is 3, so square root 3. Alright, okay. Now find the values of the other four trigonometric functions. Okay, so we already have sine, cos. Now we need to find tangent. Okay, tangent theta is apa dia? Opposite over adjacent. So 1 over square root 3. Okay, tangent. Next, cosec. Okay, cosec theta. Siapa saya nak panggil ni? Azim? Azim? Ada Azim? Tak ada. Okay. Hasmawati?
Ya saya doktor.
Okay, Hasmawati untuk cosec theta macam mana?
Cosecant theta sama dengan hypotenuse over opposite. So maksudnya dia
1 per?
2 over 1, 2 per 1.
2 per 1? Oh, maksudnya cosec ialah 1 per sin theta kan? So dia 2 lah. Okay, tak payah 2 per 1, 2. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, okay, good. Thank you Hasmawati. Okay, next saya nak panggil untuk sec. Sec ada, kita panggil Zaimizan? Zaimizan? Tak ada. Zaimizan tak ada. Sharmila? Sharmila? Pun tak ada. Okay, ramai dah tidur dah ni. Siti Aisyah? Siti Aisyah?
Ya, Doktor.
Okay, Siti Aisyah untuk set theta?
2/3.
Okay, sebab kita set is 1/cos, right? Okay, so we have second theta is equal to 2/√3. Okay, good, thank you. Okay, last one untuk cot. Okay, satu lagi, cot. Arif, Muhammad Arif Zaki. Arif Zaki? Tak ada. Susila? Susila Mula? Pun tak ada. Harry? Harry? Ramai dah hilang dah ni. Tak ada. Silvina? Silvina? Mana Silvina? Tak ada juga. Alright, ramai tak ada ni. Hakim? Hakim?
Saya Doktor.
Okay, Hakim. Function apa lagi yang tak ada ni?
Kod.
Chord. Okay, so chord sama dengan
Punca kuasa 3.
punca kuasa 3. Okay, good. Okay, bagus. Okay, terima kasih Hakim. Okay, so ini pun simple example. Okay, just from information we need to transfer to a figure so that you know the position for each side and the length and its length. Okay, so baru you mendapatkan function yang lain lah. Okay. Okay, now move to section 8.2.1. Okay, yang ini angle of elevation and depression. Okay, so angle of elevation is the angle measured from the horizontal to garis mengufuk through which an observer would have to elevate his or her line of sight in order to see an object. Okay, similarly, the angle of depression is the angle measured from the horizontal through which an observer has to lower his or her line of sight in order to see an object. Maksudnya, elevation angle is angle that you need to look above an object that above of your sight. Maksudnya atas daripada awak punya pandangan. Okay, elevation. So maksudnya kita ada mata, okay, kita punya side and the object is above you, okay, atas. So kita ada ini pandangan kita, our side, and then we need to look up, okay. So this is angle of elevation. Okay, pandangan atas. Okay, untuk angle of depression, okay, depression, we need to look at something, object that below our sight. Okay, so this is our eyes. Okay, and the object is below. Okay, and the below, bawah daripada kita punya pandangan. So this is the line, okay, horizontal line, and this is the angle formed to see the object. Okay, so this is the angle. Okay, angle of depression. Okay, so how to measure these angles? Okay, ni ada gambar dia. Okay, observer. This is angle of elevation. So we have a horizontal line that is sama aras, okay? Same level as your side, and then you need to look object that above your side, and for depression, angle of depression, so the object is below your side, okay, bawah awak punya pandangan. Okay, so now let's move to example 8.8. Okay, so we have a situation, a person is standing 50 meter from the base of a tower at eye level, okay, with the base of the tower. So this person stand here, and his eye level same as the bottom of the tower, okay, and he stand 50 meter away from the base, okay. The angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 76 degree. How high is the tower? Okay, so berapa ketinggian tower ni? Okay, so from the figure we can see uh, this situation can form a right angle triangle. Okay, so where is the right angle? Here. Okay, right angle is here. So kita, sorry lukisan saya tak berapa straight. Okay, this is dia punya ni parallel line to the y axis. So this is the right angle. Okay, given the distance of this person to the base is 50 meter, and the angle, the side angle is 76 degree. Okay, 76 degree. So you need to find the height of the tower. Okay, so kita gunakan konsep trigonometric function lah. Okay, so we need to find the height. So label this as x. Okay, x. Okay, given the length of side. Okay, adjacent of the side, the length of adjacent side, and you need to find the length of opposite side. Okay, so kita guna function apa kelas? Function apa yang sesuai? We need to find x. Is it we use cosine or sine or tangent?
Tangent.
Tangent. Macam tangent. Tangent theta. Tangent is opposite
Adjacent.
over adjacent. Okay. Toa. Okay. So kita ada tangent theta is 76 degree. Okay. Opposite is x. And adjacent is 50 meter. Alright. So you know the answer will be in meter. Okay. Dia punya jawapan mesti ada unit meter. Okay. Rearrange this. We get x is equal to 50 times tangent 76 degree. Okay, so what do you get, class? Cuba tekan calculator.
200,54 meter.
200.54 meter. Okey, bagus. Nurin dan siapa tadi yang tolong tadi?
Mahira.
Nur Mahira. Saya tak ingat lagi nama. Okey, terima kasih Nurin dan Nur Mahira. Okay, so ini, x is 200.754 meter. So this is the length ataupun height of the tower. Okay, boleh kelas?
Boleh.
Boleh. Okay, very simple example kan? Okay, next. Move to example 8.7, 8.9. Okay, Adam stand in a hot air balloon. Okay, he is able to get a sighting from the gondola of the balloon as it pass over one end of a tulip farm. Okay, cuba kita fahamkan situasi dia. Okay, so kita ada hot air balloon kat sini. Okay, ni dia punya ni, lukisan saya ni teruk sangat ni. Okay, so ni hot air balloon. Okay, so he is able to get a sighting from the gondola of the balloon as it passed over one end of a tulip farm. Okay, so dia berada pada satu hujung lah tulip farm. Okay, tulip farm saya ambil colour hijau lah. Okay, so dekat sini one end. One end dia berada pada hujung tulip farm. Kenapa ni? Okay. Okay, so this is tulip farm lah. Okay, kita bayangkan this is the farm. Okay, and then apa dia cakap tadi? Okay, the angle of depression to the other end of the farm is 53.8 degree. Okay, so dia berada kat sini. So sudut dia dekat sini lah. Okay, pandangan mata dia. Okay, so the angle of her side, okay, of his side, it form the angle is 53.8 degree. Okay, dekat sini lah. Okay, so kita buat dekat sini. Macam mana nak lukis ni? Sorry, lukisan teruk sangat. Okay. So ini mata dia kat sini. So ini dia punya side. So ini ada sudut dia 53.8 degree. Okay. This person knows that the length of the farm is 120 meter. Okay, panjang panjang kebun tu, okay, tulip farm adalah 120 meter. Okay, so kat mana nak letak 120 meter? Kat sini lah. Okay, 120 meter. Okay, so ni pun samalah 120 meter. Alright. How high was the balloon when it went over the tulip farm? Okay, so how high was the balloon when it went over the tulip farm? So height, ketinggian. Balloon tu bila dia sampai hujung kebun tu, tamat ladang tu, okay? So macam mana kita nak kira? Kat mana yang kita perlu dapatkan? Sisi mana? Sisi mana kelas? Boleh bagi idea?
Manakah?
Dia kat sini kan?
Ya.
Ketinggian dia. Dan maksudnya ketinggian dia daripada tanah. Okay, so ini saya lukis ni, this is actually flat. Okay, this one is flat. Alright, so flat. So now kita tahu height of the balloon from the land. Okay, daripada tanah. Okay, daripada kita panggil tanah lah kan. Okay, tanah. So ketinggian dia daripada tanah, so, berapa ketinggian dia? So kita tahu dia punya keluasan panjang tulip farm ni adalah 120 meter. Okay, dia punya jarak daripada penglihatan dia kepada satu sudut hujung yang satu lagi ni. Okay, so daripada sini ke sini kita tahu adalah 120 meter. Dan dia punya depression angle is 53.8 degree. Okay, so how high is the balloon? Okay, so kita gunakan konsep theorem trigonometric function lagi lah. Okay, so how to find x? Kita guna function apa kelas?
Tangent.
Tangent lagi. Betul. Okay, bagus. Tangent. So tangent 553.8 degree, okay, equals to yang mana dia punya segitiga apa tu? Sudut tegak kat sini kan? Sudut tegak dia kat sini. Okay, so kita ada opposite and adjacent. Adjacent is 120 meter ni. Alright. So kita tahu maklumat-maklumat ni just masukkan dalam function tangent. So tangent is equal to opposite x over adjacent 120 meter. Okay. Now using your calculator, but make sure you set the unit. Okay. Unit in your calculator. You select degree, not radian. Okay. Pastikan awak pilih unit degree. Okay. Sometimes kadang-kadang kalau kita tak teringat, kita tak tukar dia punya unit, ambil radian, so you will get the different answer. Okay. So make sure you set degree in your calculator. Alright, so x is equal to 120 times tangent 53.8 degree. Okay, now you get tangent
100.
163.96 meter.
Betul, 163.96 meter. Okay, this is the height of the balloon. Okay, from the land. Alright, boleh kelas?
Boleh.
Boleh.
Okay, bagus. Okay, sebab bila ada situasi macam ni, you kena draw supaya you nampak maklumat yang diberi. Alright. Okay, last section before we stop. Okay, reference angle. Reference angle, sudut rujukan. Okay, kalau bahasa Melayu, dekat sekolah, kalau belajar bahasa Melayu, this is sudut rujukan. Reference angle. Okay, figure 5.1 summarize the sign of the trigonometric function in each quadrant. If a function is not mentioned in a quadrant, then the function is negative. Okay, so this subsection discusses on how to find the values of trigonometric function. If an angle is not an acute angle, we need to use the reference angle. Okay, so kat sini maklumat dia. Reference angle is always acute angle. Okay, reference angle always acute angle. Maksudnya reference angle selalunya less than 90 degree. Okay, reference angle always less than 90 degree. Okay, so all functions are positive in first quadrant. Okay, all functions are positive in first quadrant. And in second quadrant, only function sine is positive. Third quadrant, only function tangent is positive, others are negative. And in quadrant 4, only cos positive. Okay, so ini pun you dah belajar dah kat sekolah and you already know the the formula to memorize this. Okay, apa dia formula dia? Add sugar to coffee. Okay, so add is all. Okay, all means all functions are positive in this quadrant. Okay, in second quadrant only sine positive. Okay, kita ambil sine. Okay, and in third quadrant only tangent, and in fourth quadrant only cos positive. Okay, function cos positive or each take 75 data reference is also the first quadrant. Okay, first quadrant. Okay, B. 218. 218 dekat mana? First, second or third quadrant?
Third.
Third, betul?
Betul.
Betul. Okey, bagus. Okey, masih lagi boleh berfikir. Alhamdulillah, bagus. Okey, so dia third quadrant. Okey, kalau kita lukis kita punya graph tak, apa? Cartesian axis. Okay, so kita ada this is 180 degree. Okay, so this is 270 degree. So 218 is between this. So dia berada pada third quadrant dan dia dikira daripada sini sampai sini. Okay, 218 degree. Okay, so how to find the reference angle? Okay, macam mana nak dapatkan reference angle? Okay, kita tahu reference angle mesti berada pada first quadrant. Okay, first quadrant. So, dia mesti berada di sini. Okay, what is the angle? This is the reference angle. Okay, how to find the reference angle? Okay, so X is equal to 218 minus 180 degree. So, dia sama kan yang ini, yang kita pakai ni. Bersama bucu ni. Okay, this is X, sama juga. Alright? Nampak tak kelas? This one is X-axis, horizontal line. This is the line that share the same, kalau kita extend, so this is the line, green and yellow. Sorry, green and orange. Okay, so this is X. Okay, so X is equal to 218 minus 180. So what do you get?
38.
38.
Pandai, bagus. So, 38. Okay, therefore, reference angle for question B is 38 degree. Okay, boleh? Boleh kelas?
Boleh.
Boleh. Okay, teruskan. Nanti yang dua ni yang ini saya akan tanya dalam kelas. Yang ini, okay, kita buat satu lagi. D. Alright, D. Yang ini akan tanya dalam kelas. Okay, saya akan tanya dalam kelas. Okay, last one. Okay, soalan D. Theta is 3/4 pi. Kat mana kedudukan dia ni? 3/4 pi. Which quadrant?
Second.
Second quadrant. Good. Okay, second quadrant. Okay, kalau kita lukis kat mana dia? Okay. Okay, kita divide the first, this first half circle ni into 4 parts. Okay, 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So therefore each part is 45 degree lah. Okay. This is 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 45. Okay. So 3/4 is here. Okay. 3/4 pi. Okay. So berapa dia punya angle dalam degree? Sini. Berapa angle dia?
135.
100?
35.
35. Good. Okay, bagus. Okay, so from x-axis to this is 135. Okay, so where is the reference angle? Kat mana? Kat mana reference angle dia? Dekat yang mana? Kuadran pertama ke kuadran kedua?
Pertama.
Pertama. Okey. Okey, bagus. Okey. So kat sini. Sini dia punya reference angle X. Okay. So we already know the given angle is 135. Therefore the balance remaining, alamak. Okay. The remaining angle is 100. Okay, saya nak tulis kat sini. X is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree. So you get 45 degree. So 45 degree is the reference angle of this theta. Okay, boleh? Ataupun sama dengan pi over 4. Alright, boleh kelas? Boleh? Any question? Boleh. So this one, C and D, you need to do this as your homework. Okay? Tepuk tak larang nak sambung.
Okay.
Okay, so next week kita akan masuklah kita bincang homework dengan teruskan daripada example 8.11 sampai dah habis chapter 8. Alright, boleh?
Boleh.
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 Alhamdulillah. So harap semuanya okey. So kita tamatkan kat sini. Okay, so itu saja kelas. Saya minta Hashim baca doa untuk kelas. Hashim baca doa untuk kelas, Hashim. Mana Hashim? Tak ada dah? Siapa nak Alif lah baca
Ada
doa.
urusan Ustaz.
Ha?
Asyik ada urusan.
Ada urusan. Okey, siapa tadi tu yang cakapkan tu? Hanan. Ni dia. Siapa betul bacakan
Saya.
doa untuk kelas? Bacakan doa untuk kelas.
Boleh ada, boleh
Okay,
ada.
Alif bacakan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Wal 'asr innal insana lafi khusr illa alladhina amanu wa 'amilus salihati wa tawasaw bil haqqi wa tawasaw bis sabr. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Okey, Amin. Terima kasih Alif. Terima kasih semua. Okey, so selamat berehat. Jumpa lagi minggu depan.
Thank you.
Terima kasih Ustaz. Selamat malam.
Thank you, doktor.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, doktor.
Sama.
Thank you, doktor.
Okey, sama-sama. Okey, dah boleh rehat. Okey, bye-bye.